Installation video for our full motion tablet wall mount. Start by removing the decorative cover to reveal the mounting holes. Unclip it from the wall plate and slide it back towards the swivel adjustment bolt. Wood stud mounting option. With a stud finder, locate the stud, then hold the mount arm against the wall at the desired height. Using a bubble level to ensure straightness, mark the center of the mounting holes with a pencil. Use a 3/16 inch drill bit and drill on the marked locations to a depth of 2.2 inches. Secure the mount arm to the wall using the provided lag screws, then tighten them until secure. Concrete or brick mounting option. Using a bubble level to ensure straightness, hold the mount arm to the desired location on the wall and mark the center of the mounting holes with a pencil. Use a 3/8 inch masonry drill bit and drill on the marked locations to a depth of 2.4 inches. Clear any dust and debris from the holes and insert the concrete anchors, then secure the mount arm to the wall using the provided lag screws, then tighten them until secure. Cover the screws. Press the decorative cover into place against the wall so that it covers the heads of the screws. Cable management. Hook the cable clip onto the mount arm to be used to route cables to the wall. To open the tablet case, insert the key and turn it counterclockwise to unlock it. Remove the foam inserts. At this point of the installation, you should decide if you are going to install the tablet case in the vertical or horizontal position. In this video, we will be installing the case in the vertical position. Attach the back half of the tablet case to the front of the VESA plate using the provided bolts through the 4 bolt holes on the interior of the case in the orientation shown here. Secure the bolts on the opposite side using the provided nuts. Place the tablet case onto the end of the mount arm so that the bolts protrude through the arm bracket. Secure the tablet case in place using the wing nuts, then tightening them until secure. Select the appropriate tablet adapter for your tablet by referencing the compatibility guide in your installation manual. Attach the tablet adapter over the tablet inside the case using the 4 bolts. Before fully tightening the bolts, center the tablet in the adapter if needed by squeezing the tabs on the clamps and adjusting them up or down. Final adjustments. Route cables through the cable management clip on the mount arm to run cables to and from the wall. To adjust the tilt, loosen the hex bolt next to the VESA adapter. Place the case at the desired angle. Then tighten the hex bolt back down.